How to draw classic Sonic, step by step. Hey everyone, so to begin, we're going to start right here on the left hand side. We're going to make a small triangle. We're also going to make a second triangle on the right hand side. This will be the beginning of the ears of our classic Sonic. Nice job! Next, we're going to draw the outline of the ears that we just drew. Well done! Next we're going to draw the hair. We're going to make 3 big pieces of hair. First on the right hand side. This will be the second largest piece of hair. The smallest will be on the left hand side. A little to the left and in the center, we're going to draw the largest piece of hair. Now we just have one more top piece to make, right here on the left hand side. Next, we're going to begin to draw the mouth as well as nose. We're going to go right down in the center between the 2 ears, and we're going to begin by making an oval-like shape. This will be the nose. We're going to color in the majority of the nose black with leaving a small white dot in the center. Wow, that's a really small nose. Now we're going to begin to draw the outline of the mouth. We're going to first begin on the left hand side by making a long curved line. Let's connect that curved line to the nose in the center. Now on the inside of the shape that we just drew, we're going to begin to draw the mouth on the right hand side. We're going to make it appear as if it's a watermelon shape. To draw the teeth, we're going to make lines going up and down. All done? If so, let's continue. If not, feel free to pause the video. Next, above everything that we just drew, we're going to begin to draw the eyes. Right on the left hand side is where we will start. This is a difficult shape to make, so be sure to pause the video as you need to so that you can go step by step. Whoa, how cool, this is really great. Now on the inside of the eyes, on the left hand side, we're going to begin to draw the first eye. This will be connected to the top line, and we're going to make a big oval-like shape with a small white dot in the center, just how we did for the nose. Now let's move a little bit to the right and make the exact same thing that we just did on the left hand side. This is my 4th ever drawing of Sonic. So far I've drawn 1 modern version, 1 Among Us version, and 1 classic version. Let me know what your favorite version is down in the comments below. Great job, Untitled Hub crew. Next, we're going to begin to connect the face to the hair up top as well as ears. We're going to begin on the left hand side as always, and we're going to connect this ear down to the bottom of the face. Now we're going to connect the right side as well, but before we connect, we have to draw 1 more piece of hair on the right hand side. Then we'll connect the hair down to the bottom of the face. Awesome, now we're all done drawing the head. Next we're going to begin to draw the body. We're going to go right below the head and we're going to make a big U-like shape. This will be the stomach of Sonic. Now to separate colors, we're going to use 2 lines connecting from the U to the head. On the left and right hand side of the U-like shape, we have an opening on each side. We're going to close these openings by using a triangle-like shape. Now we're all done drawing the chest. Now we're going to go right below the chest and we're going to begin to draw the legs as well as shoes. Right here on the right hand side, we're going to begin to make a small curved line. Then we'll connect the leg to this curved line. The top of this curved line will be the top of the sock. To finish drawing Sonic's sock, we're going to make an outline from the left side of the leg all the way over to the right. Well done. Next, we're going to begin to draw the shoe. The shoe will be connected to the sock, and in the center of the shoe, we're going to draw two lines. These lines will help separate the colors from red and white. A little to the left, we're going to begin to draw the second leg and shoe, but we're not going to make these look identical because we're going to make it appear as if Classic Sonic is in a particular stance, almost as if he is crouching, or even getting ready to take off. Now let's draw the outline of the sock, just how we did on the right hand side. Now we're almost done drawing the lower half of the body. We just have to draw the left shoe. Fantastic! Now we're almost done, but we're not done just yet. Next, we're going to begin to draw the hands. This part will be fairly complicated, so be sure to pause the video as you need to. We're going to begin on the right hand side, right next to the head. The reasoning for drawing right next to the head is because of how Classic Sonic is positioned. At the end of these two curved lines, we're going to draw a C-like shape, which will be the top of the glove. Next, let's make an outline around that C-like shape that we just drew. How cool! Now we're going to draw the fingers. In total, Sonic should have 5 fingers. If you enjoy watching step-by-step Sonic drawing tutorials, then I highly recommend you consider checking out our Sonic drawing tutorial playlist. We have drawings of Eggman, Tails, Knuckles, and many more. Also, I highly recommend you consider hitting the subscribe button so that you can stay up to date on all the latest step-by-step drawing tutorials. Awesome job learning how to draw Hub Crew. Next, we're going to hop over to the left hand side and do the exact same thing that we just did on the right. This will be the last step of today's drawing. At the end of today's video, I'm going to show a picture of my Sonic colored in. Then you can pause the video and color in your drawing as you please. Now last but not least, let's draw the fingers on the left hand side. Thank you for watching on How to Draw Hub. This is How to Draw Classic Sonic. You did a great job today. If this video helped you out, be sure to give it a big like so other YouTube artists can see it as well. Now stick around so that you can color our drawing of Sonic. See you next time! Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.